Hi, my name's Tyler Maley. I'm a math professor at Marion Technical College. I'm making this short tutorial video to show you how you can access your calculus e-text and also some calculus resources built into your class. So first you'll need to go to your Canvas site and log in with your Marion Tech credentials and then click on your Canvas class. From here you'll see a button on in the left hand menu called My Lab and Mastering, a link there. You can click on that. And then next you'll click on Open My Lab and Mastering, this orangish yellowish box here, and that will launch you into a new tab with My Math Lab. So it's single sign-on, so I'm assuming that you've already registered with My Math Lab already and have that set up appropriately. So on the left you'll see a number of links in this new tab. One of them is called a static ebook. If you click on that, then you can click on View the Static eText, and this will open up like a traditional textbook for the course. It's essentially what the hard physical version of the textbook would look like, just in the ebook format, right? And you can click on this menu here, and you could go to, let's say you want to look at section 2.1, right? I could click on section 2.1, and it would bring me right to this page, right? So you can jump around to different parts of the text with that menu on the left. You can also go to a specific page number. So if your professor tells you to go to page 70, you could type in 70 and hit enter, and you would be at page 70 in the textbook. You can also move back and forth pages by clicking on these left and right arrows on the side and so forth. So you can play around with it, but it's fairly easy to use ebook. So another option on the left here is called an interactive ebook. So if you want to use the interactive ebook, you first are going to have to click on this link, this Wolfram CDF player, and you're going to have to download that. And once that's fully downloaded and installed, then you'll be able to view the interactive ebook. So the interactive ebook, you'll be downloading files and open them up in this player. Right, so I've downloaded that file and then open it up in this player, and I can see the textbook. So if I want to go to section 2.1, I can just click on 2.1 from here, and notice it's prompting me to download another file. So I download that and I can open that up, and then this opens up in that viewer, that Wolfram viewer, and you'll see you can interact with the book now. So I can click slope of the tangent line, for example, go to this section, and you'll see different things to interact with. Like here I have a slider I can move and see what happens to the figure in the text, and so forth, right? So it is what it's meant to be. It's very interactive. Also, there might be some quick checks here, and you might want to check your answer. So I can click on this answer box, and it'll show me what the answer was for that problem. So it's more interactive textbook, but you have to have that Wolfram player installed. And then also, if you go to chapter contents, this is just another way to view some things. So if I click on chapter 2, you'll notice there's different sections here, and there's this section 2.gr. So that's like a getting ready for chapter 2 section. So this gives you some things, maybe some topics to review before you start into chapter 2 that would be helpful for you to understand. So for example, if you're not sure how to use a point on a graph to identify input and output values, I could click on this video button and it'll pop up, and I could just refresh myself on those skills. Also, if I click on this particular section, like section 2.1, here's where I can view the interactive ebook or see the interactive figures for that section. And of course, you have to have that Wolfram CDF player installed already to be able to access those. You can also watch a video presentation for that section, so that might be helpful. Right, so you can look at those for each particular chapter section. Something else you might find useful is the multimedia library. So if I go to the multimedia library, I can filter by section. So we've been focusing on 2.1, so I'll just stay with that. And I just checked here to select all these different types, and I can click Find Now, and this just shows me all the things that are available multimedia-wise for that particular section. So I have a list of interactive figures. I have videos here, so I have the video lecture that we accessed earlier, but then there's some additional videos here that might be helpful, like some examples worked out, and so forth. All right, so I hope this tutorial is helpful and shows you how to access the ebook and some helpful resources in my math lab for your calculus course. Thanks.